Welcome to InvestoSphere, your go-to destination for everything related to smart money moves, online income, and financial independence. In today's video, we are diving deep into a topic that could change your financial future forever. How to build a profitable niche dropshipping store in 2025. Dropshipping is not dead. In fact, it's evolving. And if you know how to adapt, find the right niche, and implement strategies that work today, you can build a wildly profitable business with very little upfront investment. So if you're ready to say goodbye to your 9 to 5 or add an extra income stream to your life, stick around. This video is going to be your complete roadmap, from idea to execution. Grab a notebook, sit back, and let's build your dream dropshipping store. Number 1. Understanding the 2025 dropshipping landscape. Why dropshipping still works in 2025. Key trends shaping the e-commerce world. How AI and automation are making it easier. The rise of micro and ultra-specific niches. Common myths debunked. Number 2. What is a niche store and why it beats general stores? The concept of a niche and micro-niche. Benefits of hyper-targeted audiences. How niche stores convert. Better examples of niche stores that are booming. Number 3. Finding the perfect niche for 2025. Tools to research winning niches, Google Trends, TikTok, Reddit, etc. Evergreen versus trend-based niches. How to validate a niche using demand, competition, and pricing. Profitable niches to consider in 2025. Red flags, niches to avoid. Number 4. Product research mastery. Winning product characteristics. Where to find winning products: AliExpress, Zindrop, CJ Dropshipping, etc. Using AI tools for product discovery, testing, and validating products before launch. Number 5. Building your brand identity. Choosing the right name, logo, and color scheme. How to stand out in a crowded market. Building a brand story that connects with buyers. Importance of customer trust and experience. Number 6. Setting up your store step by step. Choosing the best platform: Shopify, WooCommerce, etc. Store design best practices. Optimizing for speed, SEO, and mobile. Essential apps to install. Creating a smooth customer journey. Number 7. Crafting product pages that convert. Writing powerful product descriptions using high-quality images and videos. Leveraging social proof and reviews. Optimizing call to actions. Number 8. Pricing strategy for profit. Finding the sweet spot for pricing. Psychological pricing tactics. Offering bundles, upsells, and limited time offers. Number 9. Setting up payment gateways and shipping. Best payment processors in 2025. Shipping solutions for fast delivery. Handling returns, refunds, and policies. Number 10. Marketing and traffic generation. Paid versus organic marketing. Running profitable ads: Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, etc. Influencer marketing and UGC. Building a strong social media presence. Email marketing automation for dropshipping. Number 11. Leveraging AI and automation. AI tools for content creation, ads, and customer service. Automating order fulfillment. Setting up chatbots for 24/7 support. Number 12. Customer service and retention. Importance of excellent support tools for managing inquiries. Building customer loyalty and lifetime value. Number 13. Scaling your store. When and how to scale operations. Outsourcing tasks, VA, fulfillment, and creatives. Launching new products and testing strategies. Number 14. Legal, tax, and business structure. Registering your business in the USA, even from abroad. Taxes and accounting. Protecting your brand legally. Number 15. Mistakes to avoid in 2025. Underpricing products. Relying on one traffic source. Ignoring customer feedback. Skipping market research. Your launch checklist. Final pre-launch steps. Testing checkout flow, emails, and integrations. Launching with a bang. Tracking key metrics from day 1. Congratulations! You've just gone through one of the most in-depth guides on building a niche dropshipping store in 2025. But remember, knowledge without action leads nowhere. The best time to start is now. If this video helped you understand the dropshipping game better, please give it a like, subscribe to InvestoSphere, and drop a comment below with what niche you're thinking of exploring. Also, I'd love to hear From you, what's the one thing that's been holding you back from launching your store? Let's talk in the comments. I reply to every single one. Until next time, keep learning, keep building, and keep moving forward. Stay smart, stay invested, stay free. InvestoSphere.